Purify your pancreas, kidneys, and liver using only 2 ingredients. Here is a great remedy that will help you deal with problems with liver, kidneys, pancreas, etc. For this, you won't spend a huge amount of money on ingredients but still is something that could save lives. That's what makes this information very significant. Actually, the magical ingredient is coriander. This spice owns many beneficial characteristics, treating various health conditions, but still, not many people know about it. Mostly, coriander is known as ingredient often used in our kitchens. People make various stews, salads, etc. But here, you will get to know its most important health benefits. It is a great diuretic. Treats nearly all kidney problems, for instance the kidney stones. It boosts the work of the liver. Improves the digestion. It takes care of diarrhea, being great in eliminating bacteria and infections. Reduces the fat buildup in the organism. Controls the levels of cholesterol. Takes care of mouth ulcers, owing to its antimicrobial and antiseptic properties. Reduces blood sugar levels. Reduces conjunctivitis symptoms. Betters the vision and prevents different eye problems. Home remedy to remove kidney stones and clean your pancreas. Initially, chop few leaves of coriander and parsley. Place the both plants in a pot and pour water, just to cover all. Place the pot on the stove, leaving the mix to boil for 10 minutes. That way you will eliminate the chlorophyll. We recommend you to utilize a lid while cooking the mix and afterward leave it to become cold, again with a lid. When the mix has cooled down totally, open the lid and move the fluid into a bottle. Close the bottle well. You have to consume the mix cold. Consume 1 glass of the mix each day. After few days, you will notice that your urine modifies in color. Moreover, your kidneys would start to remove all the toxins and harmful matters. At this point, you'll throw them put and cleanse your whole organism. Finally, utilize this drink more often and your health will be recovered totally. Last but not least, make sure that you share this very useful information with your friends and family. You may help someone in need. Thank you and have a nice day.